Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Nehru Angular tutorial series. In this video, I am going to explain about form group in Angular. In my previous video, I explained about how to use simple form control. It is also part of reactive form control module. And in this video also, how to group different form controls into a single group and how to print the values. Okay, let's going to discuss about it. And locally my application is running on, and also I request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I have both JavaScript and also Angular video tutorial series. And today I am going to use PrimeNG's button and also PrimeNG's input forms for a better UI. You can use any normal HTML also, normal HTML input and material component and also any other modules use like guys. But our main focus is going to be on the form control name and form group and also form builder. I show you that as well. So our main focus is going to be form group, form control and also form builder. Okay, so what are those three things? Okay, we are going to discuss this. Let's jump right into the code without a further delay. Okay, locally my application is running on. So this is the output of my applications. Now let's quickly create a new component, guys. Okay, ngc, c means component, generate component. The name of the component is form group. Okay, so it's created and we give routing for this here. Okay, what I give? Form group. Okay, form group, and here also I change the name form group. Okay, what is happening here? Yeah, okay, form group component, and I copied this route path and paste in the form routes array. Okay, here I give form group component. Okay guys, our basic setup is ready. Now in the sidebar form group is available, then we redirected to form group component. Okay, so from PrimeNG I am going to choose 4 different things. Okay, 4 different forms. So what are those forms? First of all, I take input text. That's a common, we generally use it, but I'm going to use with the label. Okay, label is very important. Okay, therefore I take the label till here. Okay, I'm not going to choose the whole thing, guys. If you want to choose, you can choose, no problem, but for now I simply need this much. In label and input is enough. I copy this and go here and create a div. So within the div I paste it. Okay, now I remove this ng model because ng model is used for template driven forms, but we don't want template driven form, guys. We simply want a form group, that means reactive forms we are going to use. Okay, this is actually username, but since we are using the p input text, that is actually PrimeNG directive, we have to import that as well. Okay, and before that we should also do reactive form module. We should import reactive form module and also input text module from PrimeNG. Okay, so we do it quickly. See guys, we have got some beautiful username form field. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to do one thing. For divisions, I give class. The name of the class can be form group. This simply CSS class, guys. Okay, I'm going to create simple CSS class, and similarly I will create one more form hyphen group. Okay, this is a shortcut. So division is already division and its respective class is get ready now. Now nice, I take input and also input text area I take, that is a right afterwards, right after input text, and I import the module. That's very important. Okay, I copied it and paste it here and copy this and add it in the imports array. Okay, and I copy the code from here. You see, from text area I copy and paste it here, guys. And I need label also, right? Label. Okay, if there is no label, don't worry. I remove this one and create a label here. Okay, label, text area, and here also we'll create ID text area. That's all. Okay, let's see how it creates. ID is not matching. Why? ID username, ID text area. Okay, fine, guys, no problem. Let's see. Oh, yes, we have to give here. Yeah, here I give comment. Yes, comment is there. Fine. Then let me go to. Let me create one more thing. Form group again. After the division, I create dot form group, and within that, what I can give? I can give some phone number. Okay. So input number I copy and paste it here. That is actually importing and add it in the imports array. Okay, guys, that's fine. Just to create one more thing, input, and I should add this as well, right? I should add this. Okay, I copy this, copy this and paste it here. Okay, the form control name is there, let it be there, no problem. But anyway, I can remove this as well. So we got it, and we add label. Okay, the same label which is matching there, but here I keep phone number, guys. Okay, because now, guys, actually the purpose of doing this is to group all the elements. That's the main purpose. And we will add one checkbox also if you want. Where is the checkbox? Yes, checkbox I taken. Guys, I want to save the time, therefore I do it quickly, but I hope you understand all this thing. Okay, and also we need to add a checkbox for that. Dot form group, because I'm going to give CSS class, guys. CSS styling also I'm going to give. Okay, and I choose this checkbox module. Okay, I copy this and paste it here. I hope checkbox is already imported, right? Checkbox is also added. Now let's see the result. Okay, guys, checkbox is also created. Okay, so 4 things we have created, and I want to create one button also, guys. Okay, what to do? Same division, and also I want to create button, and button is, it's a prime ng button. It will be p button, and also type is submit. Okay, type is submit, and button module also I need to import. Okay, I wrap the module here and say, lastly I say button module. Okay, guys, so we have all the things ready now. Everything is actually in the left side, but I want to beautify them, guys. I want to make it centralized, and also some beautification I want to do. For that, what I'm going to do, I want to create one more wrapper class also. Okay, the above here I create a wrapper class called form container. Okay, form container. Okay, this form container wraps the whole thing. Okay, we have created, and guys, now our basic setup is ready, but I want to make it centrally aligned. How to do that? So for that I have CSS guide, but I don't want to waste much of your time for CSS. Okay, therefore I will show you the CSS. Okay, I already have kept it for better visibility. I just paste it. Okay, I show you that also. If you want, I will give you the code, but now I show you the code. You just pause the video and write down or type, and again pause. I will whenever a new visibility comes. Okay, now you see, guys, form container has display flux direction columns. Okay, this is simply to centralize and also give some minimum height for that. Okay, and form group which we have created, for that also I give some width bottom also, and let it be a label on the top and the form field on the down. For that I have given flux and a column, and for the label also I given some font weight margin bottoms, and if error throws the it will be in red color. And also for the input text area and output text, so I give some checkbox p input. For everything I give some 100% of width for that. Okay, that stays within the container. Okay, and text area will be resized, and checkbox will also contain margin top. Okay, and input focus, everything we have given. Let's see the result, guys, how the result is going to look like. Yes, we got a great result. Okay, so now these are all forms. These forms, we have to group the forms using the form group. How to do that? We create a form wrapper. Okay, we'll do a form. Okay, and I remove the closing tag and keep it the bottom below below the end of the forms and above the wrapper class. I mean the parent wrapper class. And here I do one thing, guys. I will do form group. Okay, form group, and also the name of the form is register form. Okay, register form. Okay, register form I give, then I go here and within the class I paste the value, and also I say form group, guys. I import form group. It's a predefined class. Okay, initially I keep it undefined. Okay, that's nice, guys. Now we have successfully grouped all the forms. Now form group is given, and we have to give form control name not to access its values. So therefore what I do, guys, see, guys, our focus is on input text area, this tags. Okay, input number, guys. Why I'm saying this? Because you may use material Angular, or you may use simple HTML or a bootstrap modules. You should not confuse. So wherever you feel the core form field, there you should keep the form control name. Okay, form control name. And what we can give? User name we can give, form control name. And here text area is the focus, where I give form control name, guys. Form control name. It is command. Here also form control name, here also form control, but I change the name according to what the form field is going to do. And here also input a number I give same form control name, form control name phone. Okay, and also checkbox same form control name, and I would say not the checkbox, I can say terms. Okay, if the person accepts the term, then he should do this terms. Okay, now, guys, we have successfully created 4 form groups. Now this is a submit button. Okay, this submit button is related to the DOM, and there is a relative functionality also, guys. That functionality I will give in the form itself. That is, the event is ng submit. Okay, this Angular submit. Okay, this dealing with the DOM. This is related to this. Why I'm saying this? When I click this button, automatically this will be triggered, so that this method will be called, on submit button will be called. Okay, I take this submit and give here and open close and give some console log. Okay, so that I want to show you what is happening there. Okay, this dot register form dot value. Okay, let's see what happens. Yes, here we have all the forms. Now it is not showing guys because of some browser issue. Don't worry, but if I click multiple times, there may be some possibility to bring all this. And you don't worry guys, there is some UI issue that comes here. It was visible, but all of a sudden it went off. No issue guys, no problem. Now our focus is on giving some value for that. Okay, so what value can give? We can first of all have this, and we create one constructor guys to bring the form builder. Okay, constructor, and I give private FB is nothing but form builder, caps letter form builder. Okay, fine, we have form builder. Now we create one lifecycle hook, that is ng on net. In the ng on net, what it gives, in the ng on net I will create a function guys. The function is this dot group forms. Okay, any method you can create guys, no problem. Or initialize form I can give this dot initialize form. Okay, and then we give the initialize form here, and within that I take the register form guys. Okay, using this dot register form I give, and also it's and I take the reference. Okay, form FB, form builder reference, and I group all the forms. So what I'm going to do, so what is the first name? The name is the username is the form control name. I just copy this and come here and just paste it here within this. Okay, and initially I make it empty. Second one is comment, third one is phone, and fourth one is agree. It is automatically generated. I go here, and this one here, it is for terms, right? Terms I have created, and go here and give terms. Okay, that's nice guys. Let's see the result. Okay, so initial setup is done. You see guys, it was the browser problem, but now it is corrected. So this register form, so what is happening here, I show you. So as I told you, three things you have to remember: form group, form control name, and form builder. Okay, so form group, what is form group? So this is the form group register form that we have given with its reference. Okay, then form builder we have, and form control name we have. Okay, so what happens, this form group, it gathers the informations of each form field. Okay, with the form control name. So and then it groups, and then we have in groups and keeps it with it. Okay, and we create a form builder. The form builder we give the reference of this one. Okay, the same form control names reference we give here, and as we type, initially we keep it empty, and phone number also empty, but it takes 0 because if that is empty it will take 0. Okay, because that is a number field ultimately. And when we submit it, so initially actually we are setting this empty value, and later on we try to access the value of it. So the value will be in the object form. Let's check guys. Okay, I give some name. What name I can give? I give some name like Keshav. Comment is, this is my first comment. Phone number, I give some random number, so let it be within 9, okay, 10 numbers, okay. And I check, I means you agree the terms. You can also give, where is that checkbox? The checkbox is here, okay. Where the label is not there, that's a problem. Label is not there. I give the label. I give some name. Now this time I give Krishna. This is comment. Phone number, I just give some random number. Okay, I agree the terms. And guys, I'm going to submit it, but before submit it, I inspect it and keep the output on the right side. And here also I keep it the left side so that we can see the result. When I submit it, you see guys, the result has come. What's the result? I expand it. It's an object, okay? It's an object comment which I have given here. This is comment. Phone number is there. And the terms true because initially it was false. Now it is true. Username is Krishna. We have successfully printed, guys. Actually, this is called reactive form. Okay, this is called reactive forms. Here form group works. Okay, we can change the register form. So this is enough, guys. In this video, this is what I wanted to teach you. Through this video, I successfully printed the values from the form, grouping each forms together. So thanks for watching. Follow the same step. You will also do the same. If you stuck somewhere, don't hesitate to reach me. Okay, I give the contact number, the scrolling bar. I meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.